Students, welcome back to Social Studies. Now, everybody, open your page number 80. Again, in that, we'll start a new chapter that is local self government. Okay, yes, what are we gonna study in this chapter? We'll see now. About that, a rural a local self government, it is nothing but panchayat raja system, as well as the features and functions of the local government and villages, that blocks and district level, as well as the role played by the local bodies and initial responsibilities held for the local bodies. Those and all we can see in local self government. Okay, in that they have three: national, state and local self. Now we are studying about local self specially. Okay, yes, in that first we gonna study about panchayat raja. Okay, yes, open everybody. Now page number 81, we'll see. Life without a government would be a very difficult, as that government, the need to the government. Yes, and without a government would be very difficult, as government ensure that people is a community living together happily. Yes, obviously, without the government we can survive our life. Yes, it will be very difficult. So the government has ensured to people that community we have living together happily, that bonding itself, showing that our government will see. The government take decision concerning with the best of our community. At imagine what would happen if the people did exactly as they pleasured with on a concern for anyone else. For example, there were no traffic law. Yes, students, this is a best example for that. Now you just imagine, without the traffic rules, how the peoples were leading. Now we have some few government leaves like that. And that government traffic rules we have, and we have some rules and regulations. That if I take as a daily use example means the dustbins, that government what they provided, they'll come to door pickup to take that dustbins, whatever that waste will throw out, right? Yes, that is nothing but whichever that rules were made by the government. So few peoples we have to follow up that. Without following that, it is very difficult to survive our life easily. One more example, if I take, what the government had made the rules to wear helmet, right? For what purpose they did that? Yes, to have a safe drive, right? Yes, to have a safe drive. Without that helmet, if we go, if any clashes happen between the two bikes, if they fell down, what it will happen? Yes, the person might be died, right? So such a decision or such a rules and laws made by the government, it is very useful to us, or to the peoples, right? Or to the, what we can say, yes, it is very useful to citizens, right? Yes, the government makes rules and create a politics about that everyone, that connecting with a daily life to an of an community. Yes, obviously, that the government what all they took as a raw, and they created few politicals about everything. They connected with our daily life of our community. Yes, obviously, what all they take the rules and regulations, each and everything, they connected to our daily life, that make sure we should be safe, we should be what we should be safe, as well as we should be take care ourselves. In such cases, the government took that laws and rules. Next we'll see levels of the government. What all the levels we'll see. The government works at a different level of local levels and the state level as the national level. Yes, the government, how many levels it have? Three levels. Which are those? National, state and local, right? Make sure this is a very important point. So please mark this two lines, okay? You mark it as full paro, there is no issues. See, as well as what now we gonna refer only the local government, local self government. Okay, we'll see. The local level refers to the village, town and locality. The state level is covers that entire the state like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and the national level is related to entire our country. Yes, obviously. What all that covered by local level refers? Yes, local level refers villages, towns and locality. The state was entire our state, but entire our state like Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, like. But if you come for national level, yes, national level is related to our entire country. Okay, yes, we'll see. It takes a lot of effort to provide services we need every day for many people to our locality. That's where our local government, a municipality, come in the form that bringing a water to your home, pick up our garbages and keep even the traffic light working properly. It has key roles to play. As a previous is just now I gave that example. Just now I gave that example of that pick upping that garbages, the dustbins, that the waste whichever will go from our homes, right? Yes, as well as see that government has taken a lot of effort to provide the service in our daily life. Every day we have to we generally uses that. Okay, and not only us, many peoples will gonna use in our locality especially. And which all those, especially our local government, especially municipality peoples. Yes, what all they across come, what we can say, yes, what all they across come and bring us to that. Yes, what all that. Yes, water to our own, especially that municipality people bought us, as well as pick upping that garbage, what door to door they'll pick up, right? They'll come at early morning and they'll pick up, right? Yes, and what all, what all in traffic rules, if the light is won't work, what they will do, they'll go and keep reading, and the light should be in the proper manner. As well as in surrounding us, it should be a very clean and neat. They'll come weekly once, or weekly 15 days once, or monthly once, they'll come and clean that grasses, that garbages and each and everything, right? Yes, it is nothing but those and all the keys and roles to play by our government. Okay, yes, we'll see. See, the union government, the state government, the local government, especially municipality corporation, municipality councils and Nagara Panchayat, as well as a Panchayat, a district Panchayat, and intermediate Panchayat and village Panchayat. This is the levels of government. Okay, we'll see. The state government make politics the program of the requirement of that concerning state. Is what the state government will do. The state government will make that politics and programs for that requirement of our consigning state specially. Okay, yes, later we'll see. The national and union government make their political programs from entire the country. Of example, adopting the poverty, education and educations and programs of from our India. Is what the national and union government that they makes that politicals, as well as in that government few programs to entire our country. Because of that example, they are adopting our poverty. What all the programs were providing in our India, few other national peoples they are adopting in their countries. Okay, yes, next we will see the local government. We can see the local government. The local government is administrative bodies of a small geographical area such as a city, town and districts. A local government controls that specific geographical area and cannot pass or enforce the law that will affect which wilder area. Local governments can affect the official and collect taxes to many other things which a national government would do, but no a much smaller scale. What the local government is doing to the peoples or administration is, it is nothing but a small geographical area in such as cities or towns or a district. In those areas, what we can see a local government's controlled it's especially our geographical area cannot pass or an enforced a law that will affect our wilder area. Because of what all they are taking the decisions in some controlling that specific geographical area, it cannot be passed or enforced that law, that because of that will affect our areas. So what they'll do, we'll see. The local area cannot be elect officially. Yes, they can't collect officially. So what they are doing specially, they are doing to collect the taxes specially. Yes, GST and few taxes they will be providing. If I take as very live example, there is GST for each and everything. They'll apply the GST, right? Yes, do many things which is that national government would do, but no hai a much smaller scale. Yes, no, we can't consider that is a smaller scale. In for smaller scale or a bigger scale, GST is mandatory for everything. Okay, anyway students, the growth of local government and about Mahatma Gandhi ji will go through our next class. Okay, bye students, meet you at next class.